How you doing, T-Rexers? I'm coming to you today from out in the shop. Getting a little rain here in the northwest corner of Connecticut. But I do have several indoor projects that we can work on. One of which is right here. I have 3 of these. Let me bring you down and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so these 3 boxes, these 2 are obviously the same, but this one is actually identical as well. So these are in pretty rough shape. But I've got some good news. The good news is Mrs. T-Rex won't be back for quite a while, which means that all these little drawers can go through the dishwasher so long as they're out. By the time Mrs. T-Rex gets home, all will be good. Alright, and then the rest of it, I'm just gonna go ahead and run these through the sandblaster and get a coat of primer on them and make all 3 of them actually match and look good. So we should get right on that. Alright, time is of the essence. I'm off. Okay, T-Rexers, as you can see, we got them all 3 sandblasted, and they do have a maker's mark on them. It says right across the bottom, made in Denmark. So all you people in Denmark, thank you very much. I like these. I have some acetone. I am only going to I'm going to wipe these down and throw a quick layer of Krylon rust protector. Alright, got to be recoated within 2 hours if it needs it. So I'm going to go have a cup of tea and come back and check in an hour. It's supposed to be dry to the touch in 8 minutes. Alright YouTube, we're back out here in the shop. We have gotten these painted white, and the only thing I really have to say about that is Krylon sucks. So, but I did tell you guys these were made in Denmark, right? Says it right on the bottom. Made in Denmark. So I figured I'd, I don't know, honor their heritage, if you will. So I'm going to bring you down here and we're going to tape this up so we can put a final coat of paint on it. Alright. I've got the narrow tape. This is like 1 inch. And I'm putting a band across about there. Wrapping the corner. I have a 3x5 card, which I have measured, sorry, a 4x6 card, which I have cut down to 3 inches. And I'm going to put this second line 3 inches down from the first line. That's got to wrap around. And the up and down here, I'm going to split that in half as close as I can. Get that around. Oh, do this out of this last piece here. Okay. So I gotta tell you, I don't know a whole lot about Denmark, but their flag is a big plus. Just saying. No offense intended. We will be using the Krylon Gloss Banner Red, and I have absolutely no faith that this is going to be any better than the Krylon Rust Protector Gloss Enamel, because that really kind of sucked. I did not care for that at all. Don't want to paint my tea. Set that aside. The Denmark flag is a red background with the white cross, so that's why we painted it white, and then we went back, taped over the white, and now we're going to apply the red, and we take the tape off, then we'll actually have something that at least vaguely resembles the flag over there. Alright, these are dry enough to, I don't know, unveil, untape. They're dry enough. So, without further ado, Alright, T-Rexers, thanks for watching. We got our little organization project about wrapped up. I do have to make a couple more of these drawers on the 3D printer. I can leave a link to that in case you know somebody who has one. Maybe you have one. I found it on Thingiverse. So, Denmark, thank you. Don't be offended by my crappy flag. I did what I can. So, these 3 are done. We can load them up with junk we should probably throw away anyway. And I'll see you next time. Until then, keep it safe. And when in doubt, put a motor on it.